everyone. So today I'm very happy because we are launching Spiritual Fitness. So it will be online dance class for all of you. It will be like online dance party. So a lot of you ask and say that you guys want to dance with me. So that's what I thought, like we can go ahead and do an online dance party. And I know a lot of people are feeling low and they are stuck in their home and they want to do something, and a lot of people cannot go to a party outside, so they're missing dancing and party. So that's why we are starting online dance party, so you guys can dance with me, and also it will make you happy as well, of course. So you all know dancing makes me truly happy, and whenever I felt sad in my life, dancing made me truly happy, and that's why I dance 1 to 2 hours daily. So that's what I thought, like if it makes me so happy from inside, it will make you guys happy as well. So why not I go ahead and share that happiness with you guys, right? So a lot of people used to ask me that how come you're always happy and how coronavirus is not affecting you. Are you not scared? Are you not feeling any fear? Are you not feeling any stress? So because I meditate and dance, that actually make me truly happy, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys as well, so that you guys can also dance with me daily for 1 hour and you guys can be as happy as I am. Right? So of course that's my mission, is to spread love and happiness in the world. So if you guys want to look, and also it will reduce your stress level, of course. So of course it will reduce like any kind of stress, anxiety, depression as well. All right, and you will look more younger, of course. You will feel more confident as well, and you will feel more sexy as well. So you guys know, after I starting dancing, I truly feel sexy and I feel very much comfortable in my body, and I started loving myself. So I think you will also feel truly happy, sexy and confident in your own body. So if you want to look more younger, if you want to be more happy, and you want to say no to stress and anxiety, you guys can go ahead and join the dance class. We are running a testing batch right now, so it's open only for next 3 days, and we will be taking only 11 people in our first batch. So of course it's a new thing. So technically I have to go ahead and see everything how it works, because I'm very good at taking video face-to-face session, but I have never done a group dancing session, so it's a new for me. So technically we'll go ahead and see how it works. If everything goes fine, so then we'll go ahead and start a bigger batch. Right now we are only starting a batch for 11 people, and the charge will be only $99 per month. All right. So yes, so the dance form which I will be teaching is Bhangra and Bollywood dance, because I love Bhangra. I'm Punjabi, of course. So Bhangra dance is actually done for any kind of celebration in weddings. So that's what I'll be teaching you, Bhangra and Bollywood dance. All right, because I think that makes me happy, that will make you happy as well. All right, so if you guys want to be happy, if you guys want to have more nice sleep, so also I understand not everybody want coaching, right? So of course I'm a sales and relationship coach. It's my second line of business, just that I did not want to start second website for it, so I thought of starting in this website only, right? So yeah, so of course I'm still a relationship and sales coach, and this will be my, you can say, part-time business. So because I truly love dancing, so I'm doing it for my own happiness, and if I'll be happy, I can make you guys happy as well, right? So yes, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead and go to our website, and I'll just show you how you have to go ahead and buy that. All right, so the charge is only $99 per month. All right, so no matter where you are, so you don't have to go anywhere. We are coming at your home to make you happy. All right, so have a wonderful and a blessed day. Rest, I'm just going to tell you how you have to go ahead and buy that subscription. It's called Happiness Membership. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. So join the happiness moment and be a part of Team Feel Good. Bye bye, take care guys.